Hi guys, this is Pochi from Kulearn, New Oriental's online education platform. Today we're going to talk about the numbers of solutions for linear equations. We've already talked about how to solve linear equations, and that part is actually quite easy for you, right? But in this test, questions about the number of solutions come up actually pretty often. So let's look at an example. Here are actually three linear equations. I'll give you a moment to figure out how many solutions each equation has. Okay, can go. Okay, let's check the first one. As you can see, when you solve it, you will find out that if you move x to the left, it's 3x, and move 6 to the right, it's going to be 3x equal to 3 minus 6, so it's negative 3. So it's actually x equal to negative 1, right? So this equation has one solution. For the second one, if you expand the right-hand side of the equation, you will get 4x plus 4 and plus 2. So it's equal to 4x plus 6, right? So the equation becomes 4x plus 6 equal 4x plus 6. That means any value of x will make this equation true. For example, you can try plugging in 1, 1.1, 1.3, they all work, right? That's because both sides are exactly the same. So this equation has how many solutions? Yeah, we can say it has infinitely many solutions, right? Let's look at the third one. It says 4x plus 6 is equal to 4 times x plus 1. Okay, if we expand this one is 4x plus 4. Right, it means that 4x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 4. If you subtract 4x from both sides, you get 6 is equal to 4. That's not true, right? It's impossible. So is there any value for x can make 6 equal to 4? Surely not, right? So there are no solution for x that can make this equation correct. So this one has no solution. Okay, so actually we will have three situations. Okay, so one solution, this is the most common. It happens when the coefficient of x on both sides actually are not equal to each other. Okay, for example, let's see some examples here. Okay, if we had ax plus b is equal to cx plus d, and if a is not equal to c, then there's exactly one solution, right? And for the second situation, it's infinitely many solutions. This happens when everything on the left and right is exactly the same. Sometimes it looks like it's not the same, but if you simplify it or rearrange the equation, you will figure it out. All the x are actually on the left and on the right are the same, or you can say all the things actually can cancel out, right? So if the equation goes like x plus b is equal to cx plus d, then the coefficient in front of x should be the same, right? So a should be equal to c. Also, the constant number should be the same. So b is equal to d then. Okay, this is commonly tested in the exam. The third one, no solution. Okay, let's see. It means that the x terms are the same, but the constant term are different, right? If you cancel the x out, you figure out it's 6 equal to 3. That's not possible, right? So we can say a still equal to c, but the constant terms are not the same. B is not equal to D. Okay, here's the summary. You can take a screenshot as your notes. Okay. Now let's try to apply this. Here's a practice question. Okay, you got 1 minute to do this one. Let's go. Okay, let's check. You choose B, right? That's very good. This question says no value of x satisfies the equation, as you can see. So it means what? Yeah, so this one match the no solution situation, right? Okay, to satisfy this, the x term on both sides must be equal. Very good. But the constants must be different. Great. Okay, so for this, let's check. Okay, if one side is 3ax, okay, this is all the x, right? And the other side is actually 4x and 2x. So we have to like put it together. So it's 6x altogether, right? So 3a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 2. That's the value of a. Well done. Okay, that's all for today. Great job, everyone. See you next time. Bye.